Welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soap Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngeskim sam guys. Yo nako ifihlile bathu bomdimu. Abantu kudala besho bethi ke hayi cha sesikhathele ke storyline esingapheli singamabhitsi ke no DJ Thomas. Sizokhumbula guys ukuthi Friday uTibusi went there ngeemi yokuthi uyosebenzela khona but ke wahlangana ke nenkinga engazi guys ukuthi ke izoba exposed at that moment or what will happen but ke uMapitsi nje watezwa ne-interview nje ne-boss yothi boss bathi uzokwenza imess kuleyo interview les bese bathi ke a half naked man ran into Fence's studio seeking help, which I think guys the half naked man uDJ Thomas ke usho ukuthi ke uthi boss uzombamba angazi ukuthi kanjani but ke uzobabamba ukuthi okay kanti ngenziwe isilima la bese bathi uMapitsi uzofike axoshe ke usesibhetha ke ekhaya amxosha athi akahambe akasenasizo lalutho. DJ Thomas noMapitsi indaba zabo ke bazoyikhuluma ke phakathi ke emoyeni kwiBerry FM angazi besekwenza njani kodwa nje something would trigger them ukuthi bavele bathi phahla indaba zomjolo wabo ke emoyeni and ke guys bathi ke a husband will seek a revenge after discovering his wife infidelity. Guys niyakhumbula ngithi ukuthi uTibusi wathenga isibhamu nalisithunya urekile isithunya Tibusi so uhlobo la mang akiyithi he mara yena unalisithunya asithengile wathi ufuna ukuprotecta uMapitsi bathi ke a disgraced wife has nowhere to turn after her infidelity is exposed. Akazi uzohlala phi manje nkosami uMapitsi emva ukuthi ke indaba zakhe sezaziwa ke umhlaba wonke and guess ukuthi ubani ke ozofika zogada ke ingane uMeki guys. Ngabe uMapitsi ubengayenza lento le imazi kanje ukuthi uMeki akamfuni hayibo akuzoshuba guys yabo nje leli viki neliqalayo akuzoshuba ngempela akuzoshuba lokho kwangempela yo bathu bomdimu. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.